Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have 3 add-ons that can make your Flavors of the Month go even further. You can add the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper add-on, or the embellishment add-on, or all 3. So this is a great way to have your kits go even further or to get even more of a collection that you're really enjoying and you want to create more with. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And the cardstock add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. There'll be 2 of one color and 1 of another. These aren't going to duplicate anything that you have in your Flavors of the Month, so it's more cardstock colors. So this is a great way to give you more backgrounds. If you like to do double pages, then we have you covered by giving you 2 of the one color if you like them to match. You can mat your photos, do some die cutting, to do some embellishments, just lots of options there. This month, your cardstock is, to go with homemade Cartabella, is 2 sheets of beeswax and 1 sheet of flamingo. For the Paige Evans Garden Shop collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of Princess Pink, which this is a brand new basil color, so you're going to get some brand new colors from basil, and 1 sheet of apricot. For the Simple Stories, The Simple Life, you're going to get 2 sheets of pear and 1 sheet of Stonehenge. And then Vicki Boutin's Print Shop, you're going to get 1 sheet of parakeet and then another brand new color from basil, and this is Pizzazz. So that bright pink, very much Vicki Boutin color. So that is your cardstock add-on. For your patterned paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these, again, are not duplicates, but 2 additional patterned papers. So for Cartabella's Homemade, you're going to get the multi-journaling cards. So these are fun. We have one here. It looks like it's probably about 8 inches tall, maybe. Maybe it's just 6. No, I guess that's 6. And then a 4x6 recipe card, some little 2x2s. Home is Wherever I'm With You, Bloom. So we have some smaller ones, and these, and then this would be a 3x4, Best Friends Forever, Make Today Count. So a lot of different options and different shapes and different orientations with that paper. The back is that beautiful sunflower print on the white background. Then we have the cute little bumblebees. The back is a yellow plaid, and the watercolor, this paper is called Bumblebees. That just makes me happy. For Garden Shop from Paige Evans, we have paper number 3, which is a mixed media paper with the rainbow of watercolors in circles. The back is that periwinkle blue with a white stripe, full branding strip of the other side. We have paper number 23, which is all of these word labels that could be cut apart, or you could cut a strip of them for a border. Lots of options. The back is an orange with a circle. Again, full branding strip of that other side, so you could cut those apart and have even more words. For Simple Stories, The Simple Life, we have the Journal Elements paper. So I always love these. Lots of places to journal and tuck in for embellishments on your papers. Very versatile. The back is this gorgeous wood grain. I don't know why they do that to me, because those are 2 of my favorite papers there. This one is my favorite, which is a green and gray plaid. And the back is an old key on the green background. Then we have Vicki Boutin's Print Shop collection. This one is a ledger paper with the mixed media on the side. This is a great background. I love to use papers like this for backgrounds. The back is a pencil and a diagonal stripe. This one's called Typeset. It just has phrases typed out with some little ink splatters on it. The back is a design in the blue. It's just painted on. So much fun. So one more look at your extra patterned paper in your add-on kit. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on, and I love my embellishments. So the first add-on for embellishments is for the Cartabella Homemade. So you're going to get half a sheet of enamel dots. The fun thing about this is you could use the greens on this collection as well as the off-white. It's going to match Paige Evans' collection, and it would also go well with Vicky's. So you should be able to use that entire sheet up. For Paige Evans' Garden Shop, you're going to get half a pack of the floral ephemera. So I love this. She's done this before. So it's just a whole package of all kinds of florals. Great for embellishing. Love that. For Simple Stories, The Simple Life, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border of that black and white print with the florals and butterflies. Lots of word labels. Titles, family together, and so they built a life they loved, the simple life, the house up here, and then we have little icons to go with your home. Just gorgeous. And for Miss Vicky B, you're going to get half a pack of the foam thickers. These are a lot of fun. It's going to give you lots of options for titles and subtitles. You can also carry them over into your other collections to finish out titles. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the Shots of Life kit because it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments that coordinate with your Flavors of the Month as well. Come by the blog and the Facebook group to see all the other items that are available in the store, as well as inspiration from the design team, your fellow subscribers. Join in on some challenges and win some prizes. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create this month with your kit.